This is a group stalker. That's a demon. And he is stalking me. Hello. Hi, what's your name?
Martinez.
Martinez? You had to look down to remember your name? You had to look down to remember your name? Okay, he's stalking. That's a demon that's stalking. That's directed light while he's stalking. 1597067. And he was stalking. This is terrorizing while the demon possessed in those positions are monitoring you and stalking. He's in alignment with the staircase. He is present under what is the scientific impossibility. The fake sun that is over me. This is the same position that the fake sun has at 10 o'clock, by the way, when I'm already here. All right, the fake sun was not already over this venue. It's following me to this venue as that minion representing the Fontana Police Department, which, by the way, their facilitating venue is in relevant position. They are monitoring ongoing. They are monitoring while my panties are down, while demons like them are maintaining surveillance outside of the bathroom, monitoring together. But let me be clear. Let me surround you with what is evidence. They're monitoring together, and those were indeed minions that were inside of that vehicle, and I read their license plate. This is a show of hostility. They will all go to federal prison because I am not in any way going to back down. You're talking about what is the intent to terrorize and harass one who is documenting, and this is called the impermissible threat by demons who are under the fake sun. This is San Bernardino County Probation Department, right? All right, they engaged in kidnapping on multiple occasions. They are present in a specific environment. And so let me show you what is the directed light while these demons are stalking in the path. First of all, they're under the fake sun, and this is engineer light. They are stalking. And this is the communication of a threat while they are in that environment intentionally. A CISNEROS is a demon. All right, monitoring with this demon who's crossing path 8 LAF 847. And it is currently, by the way, that demon is pacing around with Fontana PD. So understand what this is. This is Probation Department M. Tyler.
Hi, ma'am.
That's a demon. All right, what's your name? K. Colbert? That's a demon. Mr. Robert, those are demons. And they're pacing in engineered light. That's the activity creation that you're focusing on. That is law enforcement. At the Fontana Lewis Library, under the fake sun as I arrive. And this is the hostility, which is communicated through the environment. Not their smiling and hi, ma'am, which is also audible activity. All right, they are engaging in what is monitoring documentation, doing so with the minions of the Fontana Police Department who were stalking in this parking lot. They were in their vehicle, in a civilian vehicle, crossing path, just like I identified on my podcast. And they're monitoring with these minions, 7MVT 844, who are the people of the state. All right, this is P.O.C. 7FCG 916. That's all manner of what is called the impermissible threat. It is, by the way, 1:17 p.m. And this is upon my showing what is direct evidence of what is not the actual sun. It's not already present over the roof. That's what you're going to remember. You're not going to be distracted by that, but you will understand what is the grounds of federal prison for that demonstration of what is a terrorizing threat. The ordinary American citizen that is documenting is subject to such methods of harassment. The harassment, which is the very visible appearance of law enforcement who are present engaging in what is the intent to harass and terrorize, and these particular actors engaging in what is kidnapping. All right, and so you're talking about what is present under the fake sun while they're listening to me document, while directed light is surrounding, they're a part of the same exact P.O.C, and this is also the same entity that engaged in repeated acts of kidnapping, and specifically the Probation Department with regard to the kidnapping pursuant to fictitious prosecution case number MWV 2000640, exercising fictitious authority while they're engaging in this very criminal system. And the fake sun was remaining over that courthouse that you saw running over that Haven and Foothill today. It's not the actual sun. That's why I'm documenting that venue where they were engaged in criminal conduct as there as well. This is P.O.C. It's currently 1:18 p.m. And this is the presence of the light source. They want to be a distraction, and it's not. It's an impossibility that this would be the sun. Remember, I arrived earlier yesterday, and it literally is over my head as I'm walking through the entrance doors, where you have today the entrance of what the Fontana Police, who are group stalking, and this San Bernardino County Probation Department, where the entity engaged in this very conduct, which is impossible to be the sun. That's speaking to what is federal prison, and the entity wants to threaten while you document that. This is the scientific impossibility that surrounds what is their presence and the significance of that. It's facilitation, they're monitoring with the people, and there are demons in this environment. That's P.O.C.